Home terrorism, that's what a Clark County family court judge calls domestic violence. But while we fight terror threats abroad, experts say we leave families in danger in their own homes. Well, tonight we begin coverage of a problem we hope to change as Contact 13's Darcy Spears investigates our state of disgrace.
I saw my dad choking my mom and it scared me. I am mad at my dad because he broke into our house and took my little brother.
Words no child should speak, no mother should hear.
I wish I could trade my dad in for a new one.
Rosa Parra does something strange when she talks about the abuse she endured. Often she smiles, sometimes even laughs, hiding the pain of a prison she almost didn't escape.
He tried to do it with a machete, and this time I was very afraid. I was with my kids. My two kids were in my bed.
Multiple police reports and a protection order preceded the night of March 2nd, 2002.
And he told me, and go back to sleep, or I will put you to sleep forever.
She says her husband, Joseph Ibarra, sat at the foot of her bed holding the machete all night.
I left the next morning, and I told him I was going to do laundry, and I didn't know what to do, so I went to a friend's house.
Her oldest son, just 5 at the time, told the friend,
My mom needs help. Please call police. My daddy tried to kill her.
When police arrived, Joseph was gone, avoiding arrest as he had in the past.
Police went looking for him but didn't find him. Then just days later, fire department records show Ibarra firebombed the couple's Charleston Pines apartment where he thought his wife and children were inside.
For the machete incident, the police report shows a misdemeanor charge of battery domestic violence and felony kidnapping. Charges were submitted by Metro but denied by the district attorney. That was followed by extended protection orders and violations of those orders. But still, a family court judge allowed Joseph Ibarra to stay in his children's lives through supervised visitation. So when Ibarra broke into Rosa's home and took their 3-year-old son out the window in the middle of the night, the police listed it as a violation of custody rights, not kidnapping, which is a charge that might have kept him in jail. He was arrested for outstanding warrants.
And I was like, okay, finally he's going to be in jail. Finally, he's not going to hurt us. Finally, my life is going to be okay. 3 days later, Rosanna from the shelter called me and said that he was released.
Released from jail, after which Rosa says he disappeared. The case was passed on to the Attorney General, where 13 years later, it remains open with an active and unserved warrant.
We have to get the word out that domestic violence is a major problem in our community.
Family Court Judge Frank Sullivan knows the system often fails victims like Rosa. He calls domestic violence a form of terrorism.
We spend billions of dollars on homeland security. The studies I show, women are 10 times more at risk of harm in their own home than they are on the streets.
Judge Sullivan says we need more money and resources devoted to defeating domestic abuse.
I'll take my chance getting killed by a terrorist, but my wife's got a better chance, right, of being hurt in her home or being killed by a loved one. Come on, guys, let's get our priorities straight.
Judge Sullivan's got some ideas for solutions, and we'll hear more from him tomorrow on Action News at 6. We'll also demand accountability in a tragic case where a denied plea for help ended in the murders of an entire family. Darcy Spears, 13 Action News.